Hi, welcome to the video. In this video, I will show you a quick walkthrough of our new product Vtiger Notify Plus. It is an amazing extension that allows the user to trigger a simple notification using workflows. This workflow-based notification helps to do repetitive tasks instantly once the workflow is active or at a scheduled time interval. The notification you have received will be marked as read or snoozed for any particular interval. That is, you can postpone the notification to view it later at any time. Okay, let's start the video. You can easily access the extension by navigating to Tools and then selecting Notify Plus. It will display a notification log history. From here, you can see all the details of your notification like when the notification was sent, the module name, created and modified time. Mark as read shows whether the notification is marked as read or unread. The content shows the message of your workflow action. The type section displays the type that triggers notification, that is the workflow, command, open or click. And the source section is set as CRM by default. Snooze value, it displays the postpone time of the notification, that is how long the notification has been delayed to view. Notification date and time displays the date and time on which the notification received. Let's see how to work with the Vtiger Notify Plus extension. To enable the notification, you need to configure the global notification settings. For that, click on Settings and then click on Other Settings. Here select Notify Plus. Tick the Global Notification checkbox to enable notification for the selected modules. You can select all the modules or select or deselect any particular module as per your requirements. After selecting the module, click on Save. As this extension works based on the workflow, you need to create a workflow and a workflow action. To create a workflow, navigate to the Settings and CRM Settings. Now click on Workflows. And here you simply on and off to activate or deactivate the workflow. You can also easily edit or delete the workflow with this Edit and Delete option. Let's create a workflow and see how the notifications trigger based on the workflow. You can create a workflow as per your requirements. You can set it as an instant trigger notification when a contact is created, or you can schedule any particular time and date to remind any calendar events. It is up to your need. The workflow may be whatever it is. It will trigger a notification whenever the workflow conditions are met. To create a workflow, click on this plus new workflow. Here provide the appropriate workflow name. I have given it as workflow for contact creation. Next, select the target module for which you have created a workflow. Then fill in all the required fields. On the workflow actions, click on the Send Notification in the Add Action dropdown. Now the Add Action overlay will be displayed. Here provide the appropriate title for your action. Then fill in the message of the action. This message will be displayed as the content of your notification. For example, I have given a message as Send Notification on Contact Creation. On creating a contact, my notification displays a message Contact Creation, so that I can easily understand what is the message of that notification. So provide the proper action plan in this message section. Next, provide the same two details, that is to whom the notification is to send. For the creator or the owner or the last modified user. Then click on Save. Your actions have been created and listed here. Once you fill in all the required information for the workflow, click on Save. Now your newly created workflow will be listed in this workflow list. Make sure you have activated your workflow. Okay, let's create a contact by clicking on the contact module. Click on Add Contact. I will assign my user account to the Assign To section. Then fill in all the required information and click on Save. Once the admin creates a contact, a notification will be displayed on the bell icon of my user account. It shows the contact name, the date and time when the notification has been received, and based on which workflow it was triggered. By clicking on this cross icon, the notification will be marked as read and gets deleted. You can also mark all notification as read by clicking on this delete option. A maximum of 50 notifications can be marked as read and deleted at a time by clicking on the delete icon. You can also select the snooze option to postpone the notification to display it for later. That is, if you snoozed it for 5 minutes, then the notification will be displayed after 5 minutes. Remember that the configuration of the global notification settings is very important to trigger the notification. Only the selected module in this global notification settings will trigger a notification. For example, I have deselected the contact module on the global notification settings and clicked on Save. Now I activated the workflow for contact creation and created a contact. You can see there will be no notifications on contact creation. This is how the Vtiger Notify Plus works. Hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.